Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the original Mangoal dashcam in a VW T5. It's a great camera that looks like a factory part and records in stunning 4K quality. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you'll find the main camera unit, all the necessary mounting accessories, cables, a user manual and a cleaning cloth. Everything is well packed and ready to go. Now it's time to install. First step, removing the rear view mirror cover. In the VW T5, this is very simple, just gently unclip it. Of course, not like I did. I accidentally cracked my windshield trying to remove the whole mount with it. Well, you live and learn. Now we mount the Mangoal camera in the factory position. It fits perfectly, just like an original part. Next, we route the cables. It's best to hide them behind the pillar trim and headliner so nothing is visible. Now, time to prepare the wiring. The Mangoal dashcam uses 3 cables, yellow for permanent 12 volts. Using the fuse tap kit, connect the yellow wire to a permanent battery fuse so the dashcam works in parking mode. The red wire goes to an ignition switched fuse and the black wire connects to a good ground point on the chassis. Download the Skycam app on your phone. Connect to the camera using Wi-Fi. The app gives you live view, lets you play back your recordings in full 4K, adjust settings, and download videos straight to your phone. It's free and works great.